Hello, we are the Dream Eagles from El Segundo, California, and my name is Ryan DeFreitas-Bart, and I'm the project manager.
And I'm Andrew Wynn, the programmer.
I'm Alexander Arroyo, data analyst.
And I'm Max Wofford, the design lead. And we're here to revolutionize the whiteboard.
Currently in today's world, many speakers will often opt to use a whiteboard in their presentations, but the whiteboard does have some problems. For one, it is a one-dimensional space and cannot be moved. And as you can see, as a speaker, I'm speaking to you as an audience, and I'm covering the whiteboard. If I were a teacher speaking to my students and I was writing notes on the board, I'd have to turn my back to my students, obstructing their view as I write my notes. And when I finally moved out of the way for my students to see, my students would be then copying down the notes rather than listening to me explain my notes. Out of 160 students and teachers we surveyed, 87% of them said that this impacted their learning. So what we aim as a group to do is revolutionize this 1D surface into a 3D space, which should help the greater good, as it would help students, teachers, lecturers, professors, anyone really that has the lecture as part of their job.
Imagine a world where everything around us is connected. We live in that world to some extent today, just because all of our electronics are connected through the internet. And if I wanted to send a message to someone in, say, the other side of the world, I could send it to them in mere milliseconds. Problem is, some of the devices around us still do not have that digital capability, such as this simple two-dimensional whiteboard. The device that we plan on building will be an upgrade to the whiteboard that you can attach to whiteboards and instantly give them three-dimensional capability with all digital devices. Now, how we plan on doing this involves 3 hubs that will triangulate the position, similar to GPS technology, of a pen that the user holds. This triangulation data will then be sent to a microcontroller, such as an Arduino or BeagleBoard Black, which will read all of that three-dimensional data and convert it into something that computers and iPads and iPhones can read. The user can then, with that data, put it into a program immediately, so draw directly on their computer while they draw on the whiteboard. They can save that data and email it to someone later, and anything else they want to do.
We have 2 main competitors for the target market. The first is Elite Motion, which offers only a small area of usability, while the second is a smartboard, which is an immobile screen which requires surface-to-surface contact. We alleviate from this competition because our product can be used in mobile applications and can be used for large-scale presentations. So for the first 3 to 5 months, that is going to be our prototyping stage. The prototype cost will escalate fairly high. Because of this, we are going to get donations from our supporters, and from these supporters, we will guarantee promised benefits. Now, we enter our production stage. We will be mass producing and shipping out to our customers through FedEx and other local places that can mail out.
Our product, with its sleek, new, custom design, will revolutionize the way you interact with a computer. No longer will you be constrained to interacting with your computer with a simple mouse or keyboard. Now you'll be able to use a 3D space to be able to input data as never before. This will make applications such as 3D modeling and giving presentations easier, allowing for improved benefits, such as better learning for students by allowing teachers not to obstruct the board while they are trying to copy down notes onto the board. All these applications have one central thing in common, which is our motto: empowering through interaction. We believe that interaction is at the center of all human civilization. Every day, humans interact with each other, machines, and computers. Right now, there is a barrier between machines and humans. Right now, you have to use regular input devices in order to interact with these machines. Our device would take away this barrier, allowing a seamless interaction between a human and a computer. This would truly revolutionize the world and make for the greater good overall. Thank you for watching our video.